Chinese health authorities are still working to identify the virus behind a pneumonia outbreak in the central city of Wuhan.
Hundreds dead, thousands infected across multiple continents. Millions quarantined with whole cities in lockdown.
State of emergency, shelter in place. The story of the coronavirus changes by the hour.
Tonight, U.S. cases of coronavirus more than doubling.
Stay at home.
Stay home, stay safe.
Quite simply, stay at home.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
The coronavirus. The coronavirus.
Coronavirus. Coronavirus.
Attention, please. All passengers to Malta, please know the boarding is about to start. Your cabin crew is ready and waiting for you.
We have a bit of rain on our hands today here in Italy, but rest assured, Malta is all sunny and hot waiting for you. On our right-hand side, you can bestow upon a beautiful island of Gozo. This means you have to get ready for arrival.